In our industry, there is always a conversation about price. And in today's environment, with online playing a greater and greater role, we really get asked the question, do we have to offer the lowest price? Are consumers really looking for a lower price? It's not so much about lowest price. We are more in an environment where it's about value, which is much more important than lowest price. If we look at the economic indicators, they're much more favorable. Whether it's disposable income, whether it's employment, whether it's consumer confidence, all of those variables are in a much better place than where we were, let's say, in 2008 and 2009. So consumers feel much more comfortable to spend more. If we look at the demographic shifts that we see in society, the growth rates are really happening in more of those people before kids, as well as those people that are more and more after kids. The society is really more about me time. So if we have more me time, if we have more time to spend, we're more focused on things that are worth our money. I love to look at the restaurant industry because to me, it's the only disposable income decision that you make every day. Do you go out to eat or do you not? And we look at the restaurant industry, it's been declining for the past 10 years, but there's two areas that continue to grow. One is fast casual and the other is fine dining. It's the area that's just above the floor, not the lowest price, but the price tier above it that is growing. And then similarly, it's more the higher end that tends to grow. Well, every time I do analysis on specific categories within our industry, I see a very similar trend. For those categories where there has been a lot of innovation, it's not the lowest price that's doing well, it's the price tiers just above it that tend to be doing well as the higher end. If I look at those categories though where there's very little to no innovation, they're going to chase right to the bottom line and to the lowest price. Consumers, yes, they're interested in price, but it really is more and more about value. And value is created through innovation. As you continue to work on innovation for all the life moments we have, listen for those I wish, I hate, I love moments. If you solve those, don't be afraid to ask for a little more price.